Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm Beach local and long distance movers near me. When you are looking to engage a long distance mover for your move to or from Palm Beach, be sure to check with 3 Movers. Our representative will answer all your questions about the moving process, explain the industry vocabulary, and provide an estimate based on the work you need to be done. When you seek rate quotes for your long distance move, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration recommends that you stick with moving companies registered with that agency and get at least 3 in-home quotes. To avoid problems, you should get a written estimate and ensure that the agreement designates whether the price is binding or non-binding. If you are moving in the local area, it's just as important to find the right moving company as if you were moving across the country. The short distance makes the job more affordable, but the wrong mover can still cause problems. When you are talking to a mover, make sure they are legitimate. For a local job, use a company with a local address, not someone handling your project from another state far away. 3 Movers knows Palm Beach and the South Florida area. We can send a representative to your home or business to assess the scope of work and give you a clear estimate of the cost, with an explanation of what each service costs. You will be dealing with someone with years of experience in Palm Beach, not someone calling from thousands of miles away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.